Yo, hustlers, want to turn your creativity into cash? Redbubble's the name, print on demand is the game. Think t-shirts, phone cases, stickers, you name it, they slap your designs on it. Best part, you make bank while you chill. Passive income, baby, forget the 9-to-5 grind. Redbubble lets you be your own boss. Design what you love, set your prices, and watch the dough roll in. It's like your own online merch empire, minus the warehouse and shipping headaches. This ain't some get-rich-quick scheme though. You gotta put in the work, but the potential is massive. Imagine waking up to Redbubble notifications saying you made sales while you slept. That's the dream. So, are you ready to unleash your inner entrepreneur? Let's get this bread. First things first, head over to Redbubble and hit that join button. Don't overthink your username, just make it catchy and memorable. Next up, upload your designs. Redbubble digs high-quality images, so make them pop. Think PNGs with transparent backgrounds, they're your best bet. Got zero design skills? No sweat. Canva and Adobe Spark are your new best friends. Free, easy to use, and they'll have you cranking out pro-level designs in no time. Now the fun part, choosing your products. Redbubble's got tons of options, from classic tees and hoodies to phone cases, mugs, and even shower curtains. Don't go overboard though, start with a few core products and see what sticks. Remember, your shop is your online storefront. Keep it clean, organized, and make sure your bio screams awesome designs inside. Alright, you're almost ready to launch this rocket. Next stop, finding your niche. Listen up, fam. The key to Redbubble riches is finding your niche. What are you passionate about? What makes your soul sing? Gaming, anime, fitness, cats with hats? Whatever it is, own it. Don't be afraid to get specific. The more niche, the better. Think yoga designs for dog moms or funny coffee mugs for introverts. See what I'm saying? Now it's time to put on your detective hat and do some market research. What are people searching for on Redbubble? Check out the trending tags. See what's hot on social media. Remember, you're not just creating designs, you're solving problems and fulfilling desires. Tap into those unmet needs and watch the sales flood in. Alright, you've got your niche. You're cranking out fire designs, now let's get those bad boys seen. Section 4, Marketing Mastery. Get that money, honey. Marketing, my friends, is where the magic happens. You could have the dopest designs on Redbubble, but if nobody sees them, you're not gonna make a dime. So let's get your hustle on. First up, social media is your new BFF. Create accounts for your brand on Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, wherever your target audience hangs out. Share your designs, behind-the-scenes peeks, and connect with your followers. Be real, be engaging, be the cool kid everyone wants to be friends with. Next, hashtags are your secret weapon. Use relevant tags on your Redbubble listings and social media posts to get discovered. Think laser-focused keywords that describe your designs. Don't underestimate the power of a well-placed hashtag. Another pro tip, engage with the Redbubble community. Follow other artists, leave thoughtful comments, and participate in challenges. The more you put yourself out there, the more eyes you'll get on your work. Remember, building a brand takes time and effort. Be patient, be consistent, and the results will come. Section 5, Keeping It Real. Rome wasn't built in a day. Now let's talk expectations. You're not going to become a Redbubble millionaire overnight. It takes time, dedication, and a whole lot of hustle. But don't let that discourage you. Focus on building a solid foundation, creating awesome designs, and getting your name out there. Consistency is key, my friends. Don't expect to upload a few designs and become an instant success. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and never give up on your dreams. The beauty of Redbubble is that you're in control. You set your prices, you choose your products, and you build your brand your way. So embrace the journey, enjoy the process, and celebrate every win along the way. Section 6, Level Up Your Hustle. You got this. Listen up, hustlers. You've got the knowledge, you've got the tools. Now it's time to turn that passion into profit. Embrace the grind, stay true to your vision, and never stop learning. Remember, success leaves clues. Study what other successful Redbubble sellers are doing. Don't be afraid to experiment with different designs, products, and marketing strategies. Find what works for you and double down on it. And most importantly, have fun. Redbubble is all about expressing your creativity and sharing it with the world. So let your freak flag fly, create designs that make you proud, and watch as your hard work pays off. Now go out there and crush it. Peace out.